Look, we've all been there. Your AC decides to quit, turning your home into an unbearable sweatbox, and now you have to deal with it. Hi, I'm Joe, and this is why I invented iFLO, the world's first automatic AC drain line cleaning system to keep your AC going and that cool air flowing. Look, it's not that your AC is broken, it's that your drain line is clogged. Here's why. A thick, slimy, sticky bacteria called Zuglia lives, grows, and sticks inside your drain pan and drain line, clogging it up and causing your AC to shut down. But don't worry. That's why I invented iFLO. iFLO is a smart, automated device that dispenses our proven bioenzymatic cleaning fluid on a customized schedule that actively breaks down the Zuglia and flushes it out of the drain line, helping to prevent those costly clogs. And the best part is, installing iFLO is a breeze. Just stick it on the air handler, connect the iFLO, insert the cleaner cartridge, and you're good to go. And you don't have to be a pro to do it because there's an iFLO app to help you through it.
The app makes it very easy. It's a step-by-step app, and it was the simplest thing to install.
Plus, when the cartridge gets low and you need more, the app can order a refill and send it right to your door. And most importantly, iFLO can save you from this. That's a drain pan overflow that damages ceilings and walls, and you're left to pay for it all. But with iFLO, since your drain lines will be clean and clear, this will never happen to you.
Before iFLO, my AC would always shut down at the worst time, but with iFLO, I don't have to worry about that anymore. It keeps my AC running and my family cool.
So at AirPros, we never recommend you use bleach or vinegar because it's corrosive. It causes damage to coils. We only install iFLO. As a matter of fact, for the past 6 months, with all of our troubled customers we recommend iFLO to, we've never had a call back yet because it's non-corrosive, it solves the problem, it's safe for the environment, and we know it works.
So keep your AC going and that cool air flowing and protect your home with iFLO.
For special money-saving deals, visit buyiflo.com. That's buyiflo.com.